Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to paint 15 beautiful flags from different countries around the world. Let's see how many flags can you recognize. First we have India, a symbol of unity and diversity. Next is Russia, simple yet powerful colors. Here comes Canada, the famous maple leaf. Next is Finland, a clean and simple Nordic design. Now Bangladesh, representing strength and sacrifice. Here is Israel with its unique blue and white design. Germany, bold and striking colors. Next, United States, stars and strips. Here comes Japan, simple and elegant design. Next is France, classic tricolor style. Now Iceland, a cool and unique design. Next is Ireland, green, white and orange. Here is Pakistan, crescent and star. Next, UAE, bold and modern colors. Now, Italy, fresh and vibrant tricolor. And finally, Yemen, simple yet meaningful design. Which flag was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative videos. See you in the next video.